Good morning on Thursday the 21st of September, Bitcoin on the daily. Not much changed here. I was hoping for some cleaner direction after FOMC, but that was kind of a nothing burger. Not much happened after the non-rate hike, and there was not really a reaction from the market. But let's see what to expect from here. On the 4 hour, I would say Bitcoin looks a bit bearish, as if we should go lower and do something like this, take out this liquidity possibly, and then maybe after that up again. This is supported by, well, not this chart, but this chart. Look at spot versus perps. Perps is blue, spot is white, and look how that is coming down, especially after last night. Looks like a big spot traders are selling off. Not too good. But on the other hand, I'm not ruling out that we do get another push into 27,500 wall and maybe break it. And I'll tell you why. When I look at this pattern, it is indeed, looks to me corrective, but could do one more down. And especially when I go to my Elliott wave chart, I do see on the lower time frame 1, 2, 3, 4, and we should see one more leg to the upside. You can see that this fourth leg, oh, come on, work, yeah. This fourth leg retraced to the 382 fib level. Usually a fourth leg is retracing into the 236, 382 zone. So this zone is usually where a fourth leg is completed, can be called completed, and then you should see the move higher. In this case, if that would work out, Bitcoin should go to 27,700, 27,800, which would be a perfect play, because we remember, if you remember, 27,500 is that big sell wall. So it would be very logical to see a push above that wall, to eat that wall, and then see a correction, and then possibly up again. This is what is a very nice play, because most people will expect 27,500 to break and then up and more up and a breakout, but then often you see a move in the other direction, and many people are trapped with that. So based on my Elliott wave, I do see a possibility that the fourth leg is completed here, and move lower like this below the 0.5 is very unusual for a fourth leg. Is possible, but is unusual. And on the other hand, we have that chart I showed you here, where spot is selling. So it's one or the other, and that is the puzzle which I'm trying to solve. When I go to the lower time frame, I also see this. This is also showing that this is a corrective pattern. So I'm basically waiting either for this move and do this correction and then still be some kind of bullish flag, or I wait for a breakout here. And I am not going long yet. This is the 15-minute chart. As you can see here, this low, this lower high, sorry, it's not a low, it's a high. This lower high, lower high, lower high. This one led to this lower low, and the bounce didn't break that structure yet. So we are on the lower time frame still in a bearish structure. So what I need to see is either a break of that structure, and then look for the pullback and possibly going long. And I will do that with the group on a lower time frame, but that is basically my approach, that we have the possibility of this move, which I will let go, but I'm definitely ready for a surprising move to the upside, as we have seen so much the past weeks that prices just continue going up, and every time making new highs, stop hunts, and then coming down again. So yeah, maybe we do a bit more like this and then up, and then I do think we can go for 27,700 at least.